Ever feel like you're taking an Olympic dive every time you step into the bathtub or shower? It's happened to me, and I'm not athletic at all, so it's never a good thing when I slip and slide. But fortunately, I've never hurt myself. But I noticed in my bathtub here, the old stickers were getting kind of in bad shape. I decided to try some non-skid bathtub stickers, and really, they might just save your life or someone you love, their life. So stick around. I'm going to do a full review of prepping and installing these and then checking out how they work. And if you're new here, I'm Do-It-Myself Peg. I'm actually just Peg. I don't go around introducing myself as Do-It-Myself Peg, but I do like to do things for myself. And I knew I could install these non-skid bathroom stickers pretty easily. And whether you have little kids or an elderly person you take care of, or you yourself are an elderly person like myself, not that old, but not that young, and it's just good to be safe, these stickers might be just what you need too. So I ordered a pack of these non-skid bathtub stickers online. And you've probably seen them before. They come in all kinds of shapes, like flowers or fish or like the wavy ones. And I got the blue color because I love blue. Why not? My bathtub had a few old stickers on it at the bottom, but they were peeling, not looking great, and they kind of were rough on my feet when I stepped on them. So I decided need to get rid of those, put down some new ones. And I like these adhesive stickers better than the rubber mats because those can get kind of grimy and moldy if you don't clean them often. And these are just stuck down so that once they're down, there's nothing going to get under them, which is really good. So it's just the top part you need to, keep clean. The first step to using these is to clean the bathtub. And I'll just show you my bathtub down here. This is the bottom of the tub. There's one flower sticker left, and that's what the others looked like. I peeled up a bunch of them that were in pieces, like this one. And there's another little bit right there. But what I did was I used a scrubby sponge and Barkeeper's Friend. It is great. You just basically put a little down and you scrub. I'll go over here. So as you can see, it's gone now. It just takes a little bit of elbow grease. And one thing to remember is the surface has to be clean and dry. So I've wiped down the tub after cleaning it with a dry towel, and it's still a little damp. So I'm gonna wait until it air dries and is completely dry before I apply the bathtub stickers because I want them to really hold. Okay, now for the moment of truth. I have my package of stickers and I'm going to apply a few of these to show you how easy it is. Okay, look at all of these that came in here. A whole mess of them. So I'm going to separate it. There's 3, 1, 2, 3 on each. Look at that. I am done. That probably took me 5, 7 minutes. I don't know. No time at all. And I did it in kind of a free-form pattern. And I didn't even use all of the stickers. There are 2 more pieces, which have 6 pieces total. So I can use these in my other bathroom possibly, or just keep them in case one of these or some of them need to be replaced. But I think it looks good. It brightens it up too. And I'm pretty sure it'll be a lot safer. So I want to wrap this up with a few takeaways from using the Secopads. Here's what I love about these non-skid bathtub stickers. They're affordable. They're usually around $10, and that's enough to complete, one bathtub or shower. They're easy to install, no tools, no mess, just peel and stick, basically. They're durable. They hold up well, and that's important to me. I don't want to be doing this every month or something. That's no fun. And they're safe. They make your bathtub a lot safer. Are there any downsides? Well, they're not as cushy as like a rubber mat that you would stand on, but that's okay with me. I don't take long showers or baths. I just get clean, get out, go on with my day. I think they're pretty good, a good option for the price and for what they do. I'd recommend them. And so if you're looking for a safe way to keep your family and yourself safe in the tub or shower, I'd go with these. It's a good, inexpensive option that works. It's the next day, and I just took a shower, used the anti-skid, anti-slip bathtub stickers under my feet, and they work great. They have little bumps on them that make it good for your feet to grip, basically, and not slide. So I would recommend them. I'd give them 2 thumbs up. So try out these little adhesive stickers for a quick and easy way to make your bathtub safer or your shower. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.